Today we are going to draw this beautiful pug, and we're gonna need some markers, just like these ones. Then we're gonna use one piece of paper and one rocket marker. We're gonna use this for the drawing parts. Let's get started and let's hear a story about our little pug. Max was a pug dog who loved to play. Other dogs teased him because of his wrinkly face and curly tail. But one day, a little girl said she loved his squishy face and curly tail. Max was happy and they became best friends. Max realized he didn't need to worry about what other dogs thought of him. He was loved just the way he was. So remember, friends, you are perfect just as you are. Now let's add our cute little pug's eyes. I'm gonna actually use color. This one, brown, just to mark how his wrinkles are gonna go. So I'm gonna start from here and then go all the way down. And something like that on this side as well, and something like that. Okay, now we can mark and draw his cute big eyes. So we can make a shape just like a circle. And let's do the same thing on this side. Oh, this is a little bit lower. Just like that. This eye is a little bit bigger than this one, but that's fine. Now we're gonna draw some circles. We're gonna have a bigger one and a smaller one. And let's do the same thing on this side. Big circle. Small circle. What's your favorite dog? I love huskies. They're so fast and so beautiful. Let's make another circle. This one is gonna be black. We can color it straight away. This. There we go, and later on we're gonna color around using brown. Oh yeah, and we can color this part as well. We can add a little circle for the shiny parts and color in using black. Just like that. Okay, it's looking nice. Now let's go up and let's go down and let's draw his cute little head. So it's gonna be somewhere here, the top parts, and then the bottom part here. And what we also need, we need his cute little ears. So let's draw them something like this. So it's like a V shape. And let's do the same thing on this side. So we have V going all the way down, then going up, and going something like that. Cute. Now we can finish drawing his cute little hat. And on this side as well. And let's create the top part as well. So we can go maybe even a little bit higher. He is looking so cute so far. Let's see, can we make him even prettier? And now, guys, you know what can we add? We can add a beautiful heart. Because this puppy is so cute. And I think he loves us so much. So why not give it a little heart that he can hold? Can draw the bottom parts, and now we can add some pose like he's holding a heart, just like that. Wow, he's so cute, guys. Cool. Now we can also add some lines like that. Nice. And now we can finish our beautiful hearts. There we go. And now we can add some legs. Let me just see. Okay, we can draw it like this, actually, like an oval shape, and also add some lines like that. And we can also draw a leg because he's sitting, so he will be looking something like that. Let's also make another one here. 1, 2. Then we're gonna draw this leg parts. And there we go, guys. He's looking so cute and so lovable because he's holding hearts. Okay, now we can use some cool colors. This is cream color, and we're gonna color most of his body. That's nice. And now we're gonna color some parts of his head, and that's gonna be this one, and the top one as well. And this part. Then we're gonna use some darker brown. Wow, he's so cute. Okay, let's use a darker brown. Maybe this is too dark. Let's use maybe this one. Okay, I'm gonna use the thicker parts and color all the way around. And if you have some ideas, what would you like us to draw next time, you can always post that on our Instagram page. And you can also post some of your works. Maybe you can draw some other type of dogs, like husky. Also, we're finished with this part. Let's finish coloring these parts all around his eyes. Like that, and on this side as well. And maybe a little bit here as well. He has many wrinkles, but that's fine because he's cute with those. Wow, he's looking like an alien. Cool. And we can maybe also add a little bit of this color around his pupils. There we go. Okay, now we can color his tongue and his heart. I'm gonna leave a little bit of white space so it's more visible. And now we can add a little circle or oval to make our heart look shiny, and color the rest of it. Wow, this red is really looking awesome. There we go, we have completed our hearts. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of this dark brown. Like this. Here a bit. Just below his mouth. Cool. And maybe as well here. Wow, he looks so silly. And I love him. And I'm gonna add a bit more of this lighter green. And there we go, guys. We have completed our little pack dog. And he's looking so cute. And I want to have him as my pet. How about you? Let's give it a little heart. Wow, now we have 2 hearts. A lot of love and 1 check mark. I hope you guys enjoyed drawing with me today, and see you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.